In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace words in Google Docs. If you're editing a document and need to update a word, fix repeated wording, or swap one term for another throughout the page, Google Docs has a built-in tool that makes the process much faster. Instead of scrolling line by line and changing each word manually, you can search for exactly what you want and prepare a replacement in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to search for a specific word or phrase. Once the document is open, go to the top menu area and look for the search option used to find text in the document. Next, type in the word you're looking for. This is the exact text you want Google Docs to locate in your document. It helps to enter the word carefully so you find the correct matches. If the word appears multiple times, Google Docs will help you move through those results more efficiently than searching manually. After that, click on Find in Document. This tells Google Docs to search through the content of your file for the word or phrase you entered. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time, especially in longer documents like reports, essays, meeting notes, or drafts with repeated wording. Once you do that, a Find and Replace window will appear. In this window, you'll see the field for the word you searched for, along with another field where you can enter the new replacement text. At the same time, the text you're looking for will be highlighted in green on the page, making it easy to spot exactly where it appears in the document. From here, you can review the highlighted result and enter the replacement text you want to use. This is useful when you need to standardize terminology, correct a repeated typo, or update outdated wording across your document. The highlight also gives you a chance to confirm that Google Docs is finding the right word before you make any changes. A good tip is to pause for a second and double-check both fields in the Find and Replace window before replacing anything. That way you reduce the chances of changing the wrong text by mistake. This is especially helpful if the word you're searching for is short or commonly used in different contexts. And that's how to find and replace words in Google Docs. Once you know where the tool is and how the window works, updating your document becomes much quicker and much easier.